Lasers guide the alignment. Every rivet is in
The A380 fuselage.
on 2 continents. Wings are attached. Connectors are checked and rechecked. Each engine weighs over 9,000.
The final coat transformed.
Now, the rows of seats are installed. After thousands of hours,
The A380.
2 continents, 2 factories, 2 giants that change the way the world flies.
This is where the world's most iconic aircraft was built, and where a new generation of giants continues to take shape.
2 factories on 2 continents build the world's largest aircraft.
Fuselage sections arrive by truck and rail, each one weighing over 20 tons. Every section is inspected before assembly. 0 defects are allowed. Wings arrive from Germany, England, Spain, and used each one built separately, shipped for final assembly. Lasers guide the alignment, accurate to a fraction of a millimeter.
Fuselage sections are aligned with laser precision, then permanently joined together.
Automated riveting machines drive thousands of rivets to secure the joint permanently.
Every rivet is inspected. The joint must be perfect before the next section is added.
The A380 fuselage is 73 meters long, but the only full-length double-deck passenger aircraft ever built.
With the fuselage complete, the aircraft moves to the next station, where the wings will be attached.
The wing is lowered into position, a critical moment in the assembly process.
Hold steady. Lower 2 inches. Easy now.
Massive mechanical bolts are tightened to precise torque specifications.
Every joint is inspected. The wing must be perfectly aligned. With the wings attached, the aircraft begins to take its final form. On 2 continents, wings are attached to fuselages, the same engineering principles, different manufacturing cultures.
Now, thousands of miles of electrical wiring begin their journey into the aircraft. Aircraft wiring is not simple. Every cable is color-coded and meticulously tracked. The A380 requires over 500 kilometers of wiring, the most of any commercial aircraft ever built.
Connectors are checked and rechecked. A single miswired pin can cause a catastrophic failure. Each harness is a masterpiece of organization, a lifetime of engineering concentrated in a single bundle.
Each engine is transported to the wing on a specialized dolly, guided by a team of technicians. Each engine weighs over 9,000 pounds. Precision alignment is critical for a perfect fit.
The engine is secured with massive bolts, each one torqued to exact specifications.
With the engine mounted, the aircraft grows closer to its final form. Final step, the cowling is installed, protecting the engine and improving aerodynamics. Before painting, the fuselage is meticulously prepared and moved into a specialized paint hanger. 3 layers of paint are applied, each one with a specific purpose.
The final coat transforms the aircraft, giving it its distinctive airline identity.
2 giants, 2 distinct identities, shaped by their manufacturers and airline customers.
The aircraft is now ready for the final stage, interior installation and testing. Now, the cabin is fitted out. Seats, galleys, lavatories, and systems are installed.
Seat tracks are installed first, and styrtiver. Every seat in the aircraft bolts directly into them.
Rows of seats are installed. One by one, the cabin takes shape.
The 747 pioneered the three-class cabin. The A380 took it further, pushing luxury to new heights. The cabin is complete flume, a space that will carry thousands of passengers across the world.
Every system is tested: electrical, hydraulic, pressurization, and avionics.
Pressurization tests are conducted to ensure the fuselage can withstand 8,500 feet of pressure. The engines are run at full power, a deafening, essential test.
After months of assembly, the aircraft emerges, ready for its first flight.
The A380 takes flight, a testament to human ambition, engineering, and manufacturing.
Before delivery, every inch of the aircraft is inspected, inside and out. Even the smallest imperfection is documented and evaluated.
After thousands of hours of work, the aircraft is ready for its new owner.
On 2 continents, 2 giants begin their lives in service. The journey from raw materials to completed aircraft is complete. Another giant takes to the skies.
After 54 years of production, the final 747 leaves Everett. The end of an era.
1,574 aircraft built, 54 years of service, a legacy that will never be repeated. The first 747 is preserved in a museum, a reminder of what human ambition can achieve.
Both giants now rest, their production runs complete, their legacies sealed.
The 747 and A380, 2 giants of the sky, built by thousands of hands.
Even in retirement, the 747 lives on, as a cargo hauler, a presidential aircraft, a symbol of enduring engineering. The A380's journey ended in 2021, but its legacy as an engineering marvel continues. 2 giants, preserved for future generations, a testament to what human engineering can achieve.
The 747 and A380 represent 2 very different visions of the future, both brilliant.
The 747 and A380, 2 giants of the sky, built by thousands.
747's cargo variant continues to fly, carrying goods across the world, a testament to the aircraft's enduring design.
The 747 continues to connect the world, even as its younger siblings, the 777 and 787, take over the skies.
The A380 proved that even the most ambitious vision can be humbled by changing economic realities.
The 747's final delivery in 2023 marked the end of an era. The 747 and A380 on 2 giants of the sky.
Built factory is quiet now, but the legacy of the 747 will never be silenced. The 747 will always be remembered as the aircraft that democratized global travel. The A380's short production run was a lesson in ambition and market reality.
The 747's legacy is etched into the history of aviation, a symbol of human ambition and engineering excellence.
The 747 and A380, 2 giants of the sky, built by thousands of...
Every detail, no matter how small, is critical to the aircraft's performance and safety. The tail section is installed, ASTAM, a critical component for stability and control. The aircraft is complete, a testament to thousands of hours of precision work.
From the cockpit, the pilot will guide this machine across oceans and continents.
This is the result of human ingenuity, collaboration, and a relentless pursuit of excellence.
The Boeing 747,
the Queen of the Skies. A legend that will never be forgotten.
2 continents, 2 factories, 2 giants prosperous, each a testament to human engineering and ambition. The A380, the world's largest passenger aircraft, a symbol of European ambition and engineering excellence.
The 747 and A380. 2 visions of the future. Both brilliant, both unforgettable.
Subscribe and ring the bell for more unseen engineering marvels.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.